Hello guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a Tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. And I've already solved 3 puzzles: the binary, the 3-star Sudoku, and the 4-star Sudoku in the additional of the weekend edition of Saturday and Sunday, October the 28th, 2023. Today's actually Sunday, October the 29th. And we have 1 puzzle left for this afternoon. And in the evening, I promise you, I will do the samurai Sudoku here in the evening. Okay, but let me start with this one. This one will be number 7355. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 13 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 13 printed digits, but it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more. We'll see if this is really a 4 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here only 1 single box, always a 1. Dual boxes, do we have here in this puzzle? Dual boxes contains the 1 and the 2. No dual boxes here. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see here triple box. The 1 is already given, so those 2 boxes should be 2 and a 3. Do not know in which order. Here another. Wait, when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Okay, same for here. The middle box, the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Here another triple box with the given number 2. That means that those 2 boxes will be 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. And the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. We have a 4 in the same area, so it can be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5 then. More triple boxes? No. Then the quadra boxes. Do we have here quadra boxes? I see here a quadra box. Cannot fill those numbers, need to wait. And here another quadra box. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. The quadra box contains the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. No 5s in the quadra box. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright. My next strategy with all the quadra boxes, my next strategy is to look for shapes. Look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions, whatever you name it, that you need to recognize. Yeah. And the first shape is this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. Yeah, we have another one. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5 here. We have more here, another one upside down. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Alright, do we have more? No. Then the following shape, how about the Z or the S construction? If you flip this or mirror this, you will get the Z or get the S. But we already have the Z. When you see the Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. Alright, so this box, same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So, that box has the same number as this box. Okay. Only one Z construction. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here, another one, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me check. No. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1, and this Z construction should be here. And this box is connected with that box should be so a 1. 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Yeah. Okay, this box can be 1, that box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. Means we have these two boxes can be 1, these two boxes can be 5. So 1 and 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. And this box is connected with that box should be so 1 and a 5. But we already have a 1 here, so it can be 1 anymore. This box should be a 5. Is connected with that box should be also 5. 1 box left in this area for number 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4 is connected with that box should be so 3 and 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those. Okay, and now let me think. Well. These two boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place a 2 there. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. So that means that the 3 in this area could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 3 here. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. So the 3 could be here, could be there. We have a double 3 now. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be definitely a 4. Is connected with that box should be also 4. 1 box left in this area for the number 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. Alright. Now I need to think. These two boxes round the 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2 is connected with that box should be also 2. This box can be 5. This box can be 3. So 3 and 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 there. So this box can be a 4 anymore. That box will be a 4. And I've eliminated the 1. So the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Yeah. We go up. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, and a 3. We have a double 2 there, double 3 there. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. We have a 4 now, so this box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this Z construction for numbers 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. Alright. This box can be a 1. This box can be 3. So the 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area. For number 2. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 4. This box can be 2, so 2 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2, so the 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. We have a double 2 there. That means that this box can be 2 and more. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 4, and that box should be a 2. These two boxes can be 4. That box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 2. We have a double 2 there. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well. Can it be a 1, 1, 1? This box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. This box can also not be a 1. So only 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be in. 2 goes there. These 3 boxes around the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So I've eliminated here the 2. So the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area from us, 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 3. So 1 box left of the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this quarter box for number 4. 1 and a 4. We have a 4 now. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 and a 3. Okay. Well. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be 1. We have a double 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 1 there because we have a double 1 again. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this area should be here. This box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be 3. We have a double 3 there. And this box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. Now we have a double 3 there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. Okay. Here we have also a double 3 there. That means that this box can be 3 and more. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 3 is supposed to be here. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. Okay, these 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. And I've eliminated the 1. So the 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes here. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Now, cannot fill this yet. 1 and a 3. 2 and a 3. 3 and a 4. Yeah, I need to think, need to think. Well, we have a double 3 there, 2 and a 3. That means that this box can't be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, 2 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Wow. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 5 goes there. 2 and a 3, overlook this 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be 2, and this box should be a 3. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 and a 3, 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. Overlook this 1. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, 2 goes there. Overlook this 1. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. We solve it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1 star. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with the Samurai Sudoku. And don't forget to subscribe. Yes, please subscribe. Almost 700 subscribers. Wow. And maybe in the future we have for the subscribers extra options, so please subscribe, and see you in the evening. Bye bye for now.